As the court pleases, my lady, there is an application by my learned colleague, Mr. Felder, that he wishes to move.
My lady, it's come to my attention during the course of the morning that my client has developed, I'm no medical expert, but on his right leg there's a infection that includes, I've sent a picture to a physician that I know. It seems to be a secondary infection, includes a secondary infection of about 20 centimeters situated on his right, outside of his calf, on his leg. He informed me that he's suffering from severe pain, and I've also noticed that he's got, to my mind, looks like a bit of a fever, or quite a fever. He has informed me that he has informed the relevant authorities at the Department of Correctional Services about the issue. He's not received treatment. And I simply ask that the court make an order that this man sees a physician as soon as possible, a doctor, because I'm quite concerned about the leg. And secondly, my lady, I'm not, as much as I want to proceed, and as much as I believe that the witness should not remain on the cross for an extensive period, I cannot stand here ethically and say that my client will be conversant and be able to follow the proceedings today. I have to also mention that the court itself is quite hot, and that would also, I cannot believe that it would be conducive to his fever.
So basically you are making an application, Mr. Senator, that is it an application that the case be postponed so that your client can be attended medically?
Exactly that, my lady.
So it's short and sweet.
As a matter of urgency, my lady. As the court pleases. Yes, my lady.
You also said something about the order?
My lady, I believe that an order is required. I have spoken to the investigating officer with the help of the state in order to ascertain, and I believe such an order is required for Mr. Olivier to immediately be taken to a physician. Otherwise, he'll have to go back, and then a physician at the Department of Correctional Services will have to attend him, and that is where the issue lies itself.
Can I then ask or ascertain if the investigating officer will be able to take him to the physician today?
I believe he is. I believe he is in court, my lady, and he has as the court pleases, my lady.
What are your full names, sir?
Warrant Officer Palad Makola.
I believe that you, as you seated on the deck, you must have heard Mr. Felder addressing the court.
Yes.
Says that case number 1 is not well, and his other application is that an order be made by this court that he be taken for medical attention. Are you in a position to assist with that?
Yes, my lady. They've shown me that infection that need the physician.
Mr. Sukuni, the investigating officer has already committed to
Yes.
assisting the accused with regard to him getting medical attention.
As the court pleases, I have no objection. I have no objection to the application, and I have no objection if the court makes an order that Warrant Officer Makola assist. I have indeed observed the infection myself, and he also informed me that he's in pain. It will be prejudicial for him if we proceed with the trial. As the court pleases.
Mr. Nonyane?
Lady, I'm happy there with my learned friends that an order be made so that Mr. Olivier can apply medical treatment.
Die rechtsvertegenwoordiger van die beskuldigde het 'n aansoek gebring vir die hof dat die beskuldigde besering het op sy linkervoet dat daar 'n infeksie daarso is en hy oorkoos en hy doen daarvoor aansoek aan sag uitgestel moet word en ook 'n versoek dat sy kliënt meneer Olivier dringend na 'n dokter toe geneem word. Kupelo mopi la rapportazione poi per cosa lavoro ma faccio ma come da più una infezione molto quello che va a quella sciutice giù che la tu le vuole non da più a creare toujours va a io una dinaka illustrate
Muriri wemusungwa wokutanga akaita chikumbiro chokutarisa kuti musungwa wokutanga ari kugara pane chimwe chiripo apa pagumbo rake rekudya zviri kutaura kuti vanoita chikumbiro chokuti aiswe mudokta nenyaya yekuti uko mujere havana kugona kutibatsira kuti agone kubatsirika seizvozvo vanoita chikumbiro chokuti nenyaya iyoyo amezvikuitika munobva mubhedha nenyaya yekuti akunzwa kuvava saka nokumbira kuti aisiwe kuti agone kuponiwa nemadhokodheya.
Okay, and Warrant Officer Mahlalela, I see that you are still in the dock there. Remember that you are still under oath. You have had the application being that the case be postponed because of the fact that the accused number 1 specifically is not feeling well today. Did you hear that application?
I have.
Okay. The issue will then be the date.
Yes. My lady, I was under the impression that we made arrangements for these 3 days and others, but I see there are no future dates.
Yeah, we have tomorrow. We only have tomorrow, and I don't know as to what will happen tomorrow, whether he'll be in a position.
No, we said it for 3 days. We said it until today.
Or is it not?
It was
for the
3
whole
days.
week?
No, it was for 3
Oh,
days.
it was up until today.
Yeah.
I thought it was until tomorrow. Because Thursday I don't have commitments. I've got commitments on Fridays with appeals, but 27. I wrote it for the whole week. Even Thursday. It's only Friday that.
It means I myself and Mr. Fenter, we must have diarized it wrong.
No, my lady, I specifically only have it for that first three days. I believe that there was a partlyhood that was also allocated, and that's why.
Okay, let's then look at the other days then, as we are still there.
My lady, I suggest the 9 February to 13, 5 days.
Yeah, I'm already committed with another party for the whole of that week. And then the week thereafter,
Perhaps maybe from 23 to 27 February.
23 February, 23 February. This is just for particulars. Yeah, that week I'm available. Yes, that week I'm available. We can take 4 days then in that week. The whole 4 days.
Well, lady, the first dates that are available that's concurrent is the 7th of April, 7 to 10 April, if that's 4 days. I'm full. I try to.
I'm not having days in February, Mr.
Well, lady,
February.
our trials are allocated quite far ahead. So in November, December, my trials for March and February has already been allocated, and then I've got that matter in Mbombela, NDPP versus Jordan, where the Judge President gave us a special allocation and a preference date, and that's all to be concluded in March and April. 23 February, and then March and April. So my first concurrent dates are 7 to 10.
April.
Yes, my lady. Otherwise, I can call the instructing attorney on NDPP versus Jordan and maybe see if I can see.
If you can get something. In fact, let me just give you an indication, Mr. Fenton. From that week that Mr. Sikukuni suggests that we put the case on, I'm available. That is from, when is recess? Recess is only in end of March. So from the 25th of February, it's from the 23rd of February, that Monday, the 23rd of February, I'm available.
My lady,
throughout up until
we
go on recess at the end of March.
I've got I've got the 25th, the 26th, and the 27th of February.
26?
25, 26, and 27. That's a Wednesday to a Friday.
Perfect.
Yeah, that I do
That
have.
is perfect. I believe that we don't have appeals on that Friday, the 27th of February. I didn't write anything. Let's just check. Let's just double check if we don't have appeals. We don't have appeals on that day, so we can even take that Friday.
As the court pleases, my lady, I'll avail myself.
25, 26, 27, Mr. Skukuri. So we'll have to make a plan. Yeah, we take those days.
Lady, I should indicate that I've got an old letter on that week. But I'm willing that we can place this matter there, subject to your brothers accommodating me on that.
Which brother?
I'm not sure if it will be before you or it will be before Judge Miller.
Okay, is it a matter that is going to start?
Indeed.
No, we'll give this one preference.
Court pleases, madam.
Miss, not Miss, but rather Warrant Officer Mahalalelo. You'll forgive me for calling you Miss. Are you available? 25, 26, 27 February. Mr. Mohali, are you also available?
Yes.
I know Ms. Sebola is with us all the time, so it shouldn't be an issue for Ms. Sebola.
Your Worship?
25, 26, 27. 25, 26, 27.
Your Worship, I was speaking to Kopani, but I think
Kopan,
they can,
is it in the magistrate's court?
yes, Your Worship.
Yeah, no, they'll make a plan.
Madam.
They will make a plan. Okay, I'll postpone you while seated, both of you today, because I'm told that your leg is sore, Mr. Olivier. The case against both of you is, or are you able to stand up? If you are, then that's fine. But if you are not, I wouldn't mind. Okay. It is postponed. The case against both of you is postponed to the 25th day of February, 25 February 2026, and that is for further hearing. And the reason why the case is postponed is because the court was told that you are not well, Mr. Olivier, and because of that, the court makes an order that you be taken for medical attention by the investigating officer, warrant officer Paladi Makula. And you are both still remanded in custody. Warrant officer Lela, you are warned for the 25th day of February 2026, and just make sure that you don't commit the 26th and the 27th of February 2026, so that if we don't finish on the 25th of February 2026 with you, we can then proceed on the other days.
Die saak word ingestel na die 25 Februarie, maar die 26 en 27 stuk uitgestel, spesiaal geplaas vir die verhoor van die saak. Die hof is gesê dat meneer die goedvoer, die ondersoekbeampte is opdrag gee om u na 'n dokter toe te neem, vandag nog. Evaluering la tukashija pili 25 Februari, 25 Februari, le makalaw shija pili amna tuki dal makalaw ba forensic exhibition gore blood fazama tumo ga tswa ga botse di go na le setomo lo tong se tlhoka bona dingaka ka tshwane. Ka lo le batla la tuka ya forensic ka di 25 Februari, e fela wa tla pele gape ka 26 ka 27.
What time are we going to start, Mr. Fenter?
My lady, I have been, on this week, I've been here every time. So you, my ladyship, with respect, court can give me a time, I'll be here. If it's 9, it's 9. I just know the witness comes from Pretoria as well, so I don't know if that would be 10,
so we'll
would be
make
better
it
for
10
her.
o'clock. So we'll make it 10 o'clock for that reason.
I'll place it at the feet of the witness this time, my lady.
Die saak sal hier begin. Baru na 25 February, Utachomaka, 10 o'clock, Anagam Court number 2, High Court, first floor.
Se moso ichabuya n'umunsi wa 25 February n'enyayi yanalafutawulo yokuti msiba w'okutanga zikutalisa kuti anogwara sevanonda kumisa kudokotera kuti agone kuteverera zvinhu zvose zvirikuitika muno pemberi pedhari yakavigwa kuti nedate 26 ne27 kuti tigone kupedza nemhosva iyi semhosva ichatanga nemusi we10 o'clock nemusi we25 February 2026.
And I've made that order, Warrant Officer Makola, that you take the accused one, to be specific, for medical attention. If you all understand, you may then stand down.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Who is that physician?
I'm going to speak.
Because I think it would be better for